Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today's video I would like to talk about an issue that I'm having with my XF 18-55mm lens. Basically this lens has been working very well for a couple of years, maybe 4-5 years I think. This is one of the first lens that I got for my Fujifilm camera. It's been working extremely well, but of late I have some issues. It's called a lens control error issue. I didn't drop the lens or anything. All of a sudden one fine day I started getting this error on my camera. I tried turning off the OIS on the camera. On and off didn't help. Also tried to clean the contacts, as I read in some of the forums that cleaning the contacts might help. Resetting the camera, I don't know how resetting a camera would fix something like a hardware issue, but it was in the forums. I did try out to see what happens. So if any one of you guys have a similar error, kindly let me know in the comment section below. Highly appreciated. Lens is out of warranty, so I don't know how much Fujifilm would charge actually to fix this lens. So let me show you what is the error I'm having. First is when I mount this lens, you see it's relatively silent. Zooming in and zooming out, there is not much sound. Zooming in and zooming out from 18 to 55mm. Once I power on the camera, now the camera is powered on. I'm zooming in just after 18mm. You hear that? So there's no more noise. So what has happened? You see, lens control error. When this thing shows up, there's no more noise. There's no more noise here. So it's done. So powering off the camera again and switching on the camera. So I think you should pick up the noise when I'm going here. Here you go. After 18mm, there close to 23mm. Yeah, no more noise means lens control error. Also let me show you what happens in the frame. So when you zoom in, zoom out, see that there is a shake. The whole frame shakes. Let me reduce the exposure so you can see better. You see here? Yeah, that's it. You see? Now, yeah. But interestingly, when I have the OIS off, the lens control error does not show up. Now when I turn it on, yeah, there you go. You see, the lens control error is there. So if you have any feedback for me on how to fix this, I'm pretty sure I have to send it to Fujifilm. If you guys are also having such issues with the 18 to 55mm lens, just let me know. It's just an amazing lens, but it's like riddled with issues. I don't know, my lens has had so many issues before. I've sent it a couple of times for service. I love the optical quality that comes out of this lens. It's unbeatable at the price, and for a kit lens performs just amazing. But Fuji really need to improve their quality, I think. Thank you again for watching the video. If you like what you see, subscribe, share the video, and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. I will try to respond to each and every comments. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Ciao ciao.